Hello everyone, welcome to this learning video. Today we are going to discuss an important topic in computer architecture called processor function and structure. The processor, also known as the Central Computer Processing Unit or CPU, is considered the most important component of a computer system. It is often referred to as the brain of the computer because it is responsible for executing instruction, processing data, and controlling the activities of all other hardware components. Whenever we use a computer to browse the internet, play games, watch video, write the document, or run software application, the processor is constantly working behind the scenes. Every click, gesture, and command given by the user is processor is constantly working behind the scenes. Every click, gesture, and command given by the user is processed by the CPU. Without the processor, a computer would simply be a collection of electronic components that cannot perform any meaningful task. Therefore, understanding the function and structure of the processor is essential for anyone studying computer science, information system, or information technology. Okay, let us begin by discussing the main function of a processor. The first and most important function is instruction execution. Every computer program consists of a series of instructions written in programming language. These instructions tell the computer what action needs to be performed. The processor reads these instructions, tell the computer what action needs to be performed. The processor reads these instructions, interprets them, and carries out the required operation. For example, when you open the web browser, the processor executes thousands of instructions that allow the browser to load and display web page. Similarly, when you save a file, the processor handles the instruction necessary to store the data in memory or on a storage device. The second function of the processor is data processing. Computers work with data in various forms, such as number, text, image, and audio and video. The processor performs calculation and logical operation on this data. Arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Logical operations involve comparison, such as determining whether one value is equal to, greater than, or less than another value. These calculations are fundamental to the operation of software application. For instance, when using a calculator application, the processor performs arithmetic calculation. When using search engine, the processor helps analyze and compare data to provide relevant search results. Another important function of the processor is controlling and coordination of system operation. A computer consists of many hardware components, including memory, storage device, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, and network device. The processor acts as a coordinator that ensures these components communicate effectively. When a user types a letter and the keyboard the processor receives the input signal, process the information, and send the result to the monitor so that the letter appears on the screen. This process happens almost instantly because the process continuously manages communication between hardware components. To perform all this function, the processor follows a sequence known as the instruction cycle. The instruction cycle consists of the three main stages: fetch, decode, and execute. These stages occur continuously while the computer is running. The first stage is called fetch. During this stage, the processor retrieves an instruction from the computer main memory, also known as RAM or RAM. Each instruction has a specific memory address, and the processor uses this address to locate and retrieve the instruction. The second stage is called decode. Once the instruction has been fetched from memory, the processor must determine what the instruction means. The third stage is called execute. During this stage, the processor carries out the instruction. In conclusion, the processor is the central component of a computer system and is responsible for executing instruction, processing data, controlling system information, and coordinating communication between hardware components. The processor from this task through the instruction cycle, which include the fetch, decode, and execute stage. Its structure consists of key components such as the control unit, arithmetic logic unit, register, cache memory, and multiple processing cores. Together, these components allow computer to operate efficiently and perform a wide variety of tasks. Okay, thank you for watching this learning video. I hope this explanation has helped you again and better understanding of a processor function and structure. Thank you for watching. Bye.